Hello guys, in this video we will see how to rename or change the table name in PostgreSQL Server on Windows and Linux operating systems. First, on Windows we will see by using pgadmin and PSQL. Okay, first connect to PostgreSQL Server, expand databases, go to the particular database where the table is there and for which we have to rename. Schemas, I have only one schema. Like suppose if I want to rename this student table to students, right click and click on properties, then just give S, then click on save. That's all. See, name has been changed. This is the one way on Windows. The other way is we have go to the PSQL shell. See, this is the PSQL shell. If you are unable to find here, start, then all applications, then PostgreSQL 16, then PSQL. See here, click on it, provide the host name, /L. See, I have these databases. Let's connect to the R2 schools. Let's verify list of the tables. See, we have these three tables which we have seen here. Okay, now rename. We can use this command here or right click and query tool. Then here also we can run that same command. Both are same. Okay, so to rename a table we have to use alter table, then table name. Here table name is students, then rename to new name. I'm going to revert it to student. Put the semicolon at the end and hit enter. So quotations are not required. See, we have successfully renamed. Let's verify again. / and dt. See, table name has been renamed to student. Before it was students. We can also verify. See, but still it is showing here old name. So right click and click on refresh. See, name has been changed. We can also run the same command in the pgadmin. Right click, properties, yes, save. See, now it is students. So copy the same command or simply run alter table students, rename to student. Select the query, click on this execute button. It has been changed. Now rerun. Now refresh again. Right click on tables, refresh. See, the name has been changed to student. Until now we have seen renaming a table on Windows environment. Now we will see this in same procedure on Linux machines. Go to, let's connect to Ubuntu machine. Open terminal. Let's connect to PostgreSQL Server. /L to get the list of the databases. Here also I am having R2 schools /C, R2 schools /dt. See, I have only one table. So I am going to rename this students to student. So use the same command alter table students, rename to student. I am not giving singular double quotes. Put the semicolon at the end of the statement and hit enter. Now verify again /dt. See, before the table name was students, now it is student. Okay, once you change the table name, you have to update in all your applications. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to change or rename a table name in PostgreSQL Server on Windows and Linux environments. Okay, for more PostgreSQL Server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.